I'm excited about tonight's dinner. I can't wait to get my mouth on this and go nom 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 nom. What I have for you guys today is a bacon wrapped chicken cordon bleu. If you haven't already subscribed, consider hitting that subscription button. I have something for everybody on my channel. With that being said, let's get started here on Cook! Don't be lazy! Let's start off by preheating the oven to 375. If you prep ahead of time, it'll make things go a lot smoother for you when you're putting this together. Some sliced bacon, some sliced cheese. This is actually Munster cheese, if that's how it's even pronounced. And I've got some cooked sliced ham. I know it's not everybody's preference, the cooked ham, but it's cheap and it'll do. Take a baking sheet. I always like to use, in most cases, aluminum foil for easy cleanup. A little spray, cooking spray to make sure nothing really sticks. Give it a quick wipe. Take your chicken breast. Alright, boneless, skinless chicken breast. Traditionally, chicken cordon bleu, not chicken breast, chicken thigh. Traditionally, it's made with chicken breast. But I am going to use a boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Now, I always say when I'm cooking with chicken thighs, boneless chicken thigh, make sure you open it up, because right here, the processing plant usually does a good job, but every now and then, you'll find a little piece of bone right about here. So make sure you trim up your chicken thigh decently. No bones. Take some lemon pepper. Put a nice, generous coating on both sides. I probably should have started on this side. Now I'm using my tongs because I don't want to be cross-contaminating every time I touch the chicken with my hands and then touching my spice bottle here. So nice, generous portion of lemon pepper on the inside portion of your chicken breast. Take a piece of ham and fold it up into a little square. Take your cheese, fold it up, quarter it up. Fold this over. Take your bacon slice. Now the cheese can spill out two ways. The opening here or the sides here. So what we're going to do with the bacon is we're going to go both ways and cover it up. So we're going to wrap it one slice this way and one slice this way. Now if you have to, stretch that bacon a little bit. Alright, so that'll pretty much, it's not going to be perfect. Some cheese will still spill out, but at least most of it won't spill out. But at least you're covering your sides. Your openings, I should say. Now, take a toothpick. And I just do 2 toothpicks, 1 in each corner, and that should prevent the bacon from coming off when it starts to shrink and shrivel. So I'm going to do the rest of these. So this is kind of what we end up with. Stick it in your preheated oven. How long? We're going to bake this in the oven. Remember, preheated 375 for about 50 minutes. In the meantime, within those 50 minutes, go ahead and make your sides and drink a little milk if you got it. So the chicken is done. I've got my sides done. The only thing left to do, time to plate up. The main reason I chose using a chicken thigh versus a traditional chicken breast is because this, when I cut into it, it's going to be super tender. I'm ready to go nom 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 nom. So I'll see you guys next week here on Cook! Don't be lazy!